1 million Kula has been allocated for the referral program. You can earn up to 30 Kula for each successful referral. Once you have registered and purchased Kula tokens, you can refer your friends by providing them with your unique tracking link. Obtain your tracking link by clicking on the referral link section in the header, and select Copy Link. Alternatively, you can select Referrals from the menu, and click on the blue Copy button. The link will take your friends straight through to the registration page. Once they have registered and deposited, you will earn 2% with a maximum of 30 Kula on their first purchase. You can view the exact number of successful referrals and your earnings in the Referral Analytics section of your account. Check out the other social bounties to earn even more Kula.